Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make a beautiful flower using this pink crepe paper. So cut a strip of paper and fold it from its one corner. Look at the length your thumb should fit into it. Now we are going to start twisting it. So we have to twist it like this and you have to make a space according to your thumb like this and repeat the same process over and over again. Start folding it like this. You can make a beautiful flower out of it for home decorations, and look, it's done. Now we are going to start folding it from the first corner like this and twist it and start rolling it like this. Hold it lightly, we don't have to tight it like this. Keep the ends loose and look, your flower is ready. Tuck the paper inside from its bottom part. Now you can also tie it using a thread or rubber band. Now we are going to put a stick at the extra part and cover it using this green floral tape for a nice and clean look. Put leaves around it and look, your flower is ready. In this video we are going to learn how you can make beautiful leaves. So here we are taking this green crepe paper. So cut two triangles and paste it on this stick using hot glue gun. Now we are going to make multiple cut using scissor. Look how we are doing here, and we are going to cut it in the shape of leaf, and we are doing small cuts like this, like V cuts, and look, your leaf is ready. Now you can make more such leaves and combine all of them together using floral tape like this. Put 3 leaves together and you will get a bunch of leaves like this. Combine 3 leaves together. Now you can give it shape as according to your wish. Pull them downwards and look, it's ready. In this video we are going to learn to make these colorful and beautiful rose flowers. Here we are going to use toilet paper roll. Now make multiple folds and cut it into half. We need this much paper. After this we are going to start folding it like this. Fold it half like we are doing here. Now we are going to again fold it from its top section and fold it and make a triangular shape like this. After this, start rolling the paper. Hold it tightly. Here we are going to roll it like this. Starting you have to roll it and pull it tightly. After this, here we are going to make beautiful patterns. So you have to hold the paper like this and give it one roll like we are doing here and repeat the same process. It will give beautiful shape to the rose flower like this. Now you have to cover it like this. Look how we are doing here. Repeat the same process, twist it and hold the paper like this, and your flower is almost ready. You can make more such flowers for home decoration or to give to your loved ones. Like you can make beautiful rose flower sticks, or you can make different shapes, and look, your flower is ready. Now we are going to tie it using a rubber band. You can also decorate by putting powder or colorful powder inside on the top of it, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to cut a shape from this paper. You can take cardboard. Here we are going to take this white paper. Now we are going to add decorations, like we are putting this net sheet on the top of it and decorate it using colorful rose flowers. Switch on the light and look, your decor is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.